Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 5 safety tips for driving during traffic congestion in the Philippines. Number 1. Maintain a steady speed and use the right lane. A good driver means driving at the right lane and obeying road signs will help you avoid accidents and other traffic problems. This will also help by not adding to the current congestion. Maintaining a steady speed is also important because accidents are more likely to happen when drivers suddenly speed up or slow down while in a heavy traffic. Number 2. Look over your shoulders into the blind spot. Always look at your mirrors. Although rear-view mirrors allow motorists to have a wide angle of the surroundings behind, there are areas that you can't observe in the mirrors, which are the blind spots. Overlooking your shoulders helps minimize blind spots, especially when you want to change lane or back your car. So besides looking at the rear-view mirrors, you also need to observe carefully the nearby vehicles. Number 3. Maintain a safe following distance when driving. You should keep at least 1 meter of space between your car and the vehicle in front of you so that you can avoid hitting it if you brake abruptly, especially if the car in front of you stops immediately. And remember to press the brakes very firmly when you need to stop. Number 4. Use the steering wheel carefully to guide your car correctly. Especially during rush hours, turning the car at intersections or high traffic areas is really difficult. You need to turn your steering wheel carefully and flexibly, and try to do it as quick as possible in order not to jam the road. Number 5. Use the signal light. Using the signal light helps other road users know you plan to change lanes. This will keep you and other drivers safe and prevent accidents. However, you need to signal early enough to let them know your movement from afar. Don't signal too early because you may give the wrong message to vehicles behind. Just use the signal right on the right moment. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.